Well, I don't believe you're blind. My dad says that a blind person is someone who doesn't want to see.
Flappy. Achoo. Don't start with your flappy nonsense.
Well, that isn't healthy. I saw on TV that you have to peel.
Don't flip out, Flappy.
Flappy.
Don't start with your nonsense again.
Don't flip out, big ears.
My dad says it holds on tight to a leaf and waits for autumn to come. Dad says for that and for telling people to shut up.
I'm sure your dad doesn't say such stupid things, huh? Like you. Achoo.
We're gonna invent a secret code.
Don't even tell me. I'm here for a book on the Braille system.
I read that there was a blind person who used his feet to read Braille.
Oh, no.
You look a little pale. My dad says that his easy time saves 9.
I hope he doesn't see me. I hope he doesn't see me.
Aisha!
You're lost, Flappy.
My dad says the more lost you are, the easier you are to find. The zoo type.
That's right. Achoo. Don't flip out.
Yeah, right. They're just drawings. What do you have to touch them for?
Don't flip out, Flappy. Achoo.
Jeez, Aisha, don't be that way.
All right, Flappy, that's enough already. I can't stand your fooling around. Achoo.
I just said I hope that Nico and Dr. Cole would get us out of here. Aisha, have you ever realized that water is wet? Yeah, I've just thought of inventing dry water. My dad says.
Flappy. Achoo. Oh, no.
They don't need to be. Nowadays, everyone has a telephone.
Achoo. Don't flip out, Flappy.
I can't stand this
Why
guy.
is it a sports car? You can't exercise in here.
I can't stand you, Flappy. Achoo.
Look, Aisha, I'm a general, and I order you to be my girlfriend.
Don't flip out, Flappy. Achoo.
Oh, no.
Nice costume, Nico.
There's old man Cafus.
Aisha, now I'm really at the top branch of the army.
Achoo. Flappy, would you please keep your voice down?
Listen, it's better to win an Oscar than to be called Oscar.
No, Flappy. Achoo. Stop. Achoo. Saying your flappy nonsense. Achoo. Keep your ears on, Flappy.
My dad says that it's better to play soccer on a video game. That way your clothes won't get dirty.
Don't flip out, Flappy. You're dumber than a soccer ball. Achoo.
Do you know why there are flowers in the country, Aisha? To get rid of all the other bad smells.
Would you please stop with your nonsense? Achoo. Even better. Achoo.
Come on, son. Now tell Aisha how you try to go out through the rocket's exhaust pipe.
I never would have thought it was possible. It's Flappy in stereo.